Assalamualaikum student, this is me Afshan Sari. I'm a math teacher as you know. Hope you all are good, healthy, fit and you're home. So now the pandemic will be start again. So we will take our new online classes. Alright. So in this way we will do our same work. जो हमने पहले जैसे करा था copy का work वैसे ही हमने अब करना है. But now you will do both things. Which one things? Like you need to do copy work and book work. So whenever I am going to give you the copy work, I will be mentioned on the board, or whenever I will give you the book work, I will mention on the board as well, or I will send you the link as well. Fine. So you need to check in proper way, where are the links and where are the worksheets. Okay. So now you will check the date. Today is 26, the month is 7, this is 2021. This work is just for class 1. So the topic is forward counting. What you will do on the very first day after vacations, so you will do the forward counting. आपने क्या करना है अपनी कॉपी में? Forward counting with the heading. Now tell me how you will make the headings. You will use blue color. Which one color you will use? Blue color for making headings. So you need to write forward counting with blue color. After that you need to write 1 to 100. आप क्या लिखेंगे उसके बाद? 1 to 100. Firstly you need to write forward counting, then 1 till 100. Then the date must be with the pencil. As you know, I was giving the instruction where whenever I will use blue, you need to use blue, and whenever I will use black, you need to use your pencil. Okay. So the date is 26, the month is 7th, and 2021 you need to write on the top of the line. So here I mentioned this is your copy work. आपने ये work कहाँ करना है? 1 till 100 forward counting in your copy work. Okay. This is the work you need to do by yourself. I know you can do it, my students. But some instructions are there. Which one instruction? First I have given that आपको heading जो डालनी है वो blue से mention करनी है. ये heading भी आपको blue से करनी है. Date you will use pencil. आपने pencil use करनी है date के लिए, and for CW as well. Okay. But now the class work is not going on, so you need to write ON. ON means online class. Like on the corner you can write like that. Okay. And date you can write on the top of the line 26-7-2021. Alright. You need to make your page like that. And one more thing. The first thing you need to draw one margin line over here like this, and one on the top like this. You can make your copy page like that. I am not drawing the proper one line because I don't have the scale, but I am using my hands. But you have the scales, you need to make the proper one lines. Okay. And one more thing, after completing your work, what you will do, I was saying that you need to mention the work on index. आपने कहाँ लिखना है ये work? आपने लिखना है index में. These lines you have, आपकी copy में ये lines हैं index में. Index लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पे like that. Alright. So in this way what you will do, you can write the sequence. आपका sequence कौन सा है, वर्क कौन से नंबर पर है, you can write, and date will be 26 and the month is 7th. You need to mention the work over here. कौन सा वर्क कर रहे हैं आप? F means forward counting. You need to write in short way F/C. Forward counting 1 to 100. Alright, you need to make your index like this. Fine. Whenever you will do the copy work, you can make it this one on the index. Alright everyone. So this is your work. You need to do in proper way. Mention all these things. I have mentioned all these things like major lines, date on the top of the line, OC means online classes, and your index. Got it everyone? So inshallah we will meet soon with our new topic, with our new interesting topic. You need to just follow me. Or one more thing, that you need to complete the work and submit your copies before the time or on the time, cause otherwise if you will not submit your copies or your books for completing your work or after the completing your work, then we will minus your marks. Fine, we will deduct your marks like 25 marks for here. So you need to complete your work on that time. Alright. आपने अपनी कॉपी